So, today we are unboxing VC Racings. Oh yeah! Right here. First looker. So after the wheel removed, we just go to grab the light. So after the wheel removed, quickly put some light in here. Okay. Just remove these two bolts. Like, then you push out the bolts. You clip this thingy here. After taking the bolts out, you go pop the hood. And you get rid of the two nuts here. Old one out. Now the new one go in. So both in. They're all inside now. They look amazing. Copper paste on it and torqued them to spec. Mine is like 108 Newton meters or 105. I think it torqued them to 110. Same here. Here in the bag, also pretty simple. You just loosen this bolt here. So, new things are in. You just had to loosen this bolt up here, which is an amazing design by Suzuki, to be honest. And now this just goes in there. Well, this was it. Here you got the cool sticker VC Racing. Got a little bit in because it was rubbing against the knee. Now this is my fitment.
Hey girl, what's up, yo? What's up, what's up, what's up?